Agroforestry for EU is a EU project. That's a continuation of another EU project that is Affinet. The difference between Affinet and agroforestry is that agroforestry is more focused on the value chains development, because we do believe that if we are able to commercialize the products of agroforestry, then there will be an expansion of the use and extent of agroforestry across Europe. The regional agroforestry innovations, so-called RAIN, are special networks that are happening at country level and at regional level, because we join all of them in a network that exchange information. The person that acts as a network point that knows everybody and knows what are the best role they can play within the range is what we call the innovation broker. That is a person that is a facilitator with specific skills about communication, able to translate research towards the farmers and the farmers' needs towards the research. Well, it's like the glue of the rain.
In eastern Finland, we have especially forest grazing, and forest grazing in terms of having sheep grazing in the forest. Forest grazing farms typically also maintain traditional rural habitats, so there are biodiversity benefits received from these farms, and they get also typically support from the government for doing that. In southern Finland, we have one alley cropping pilot farm, which is not typical practice in Finland, so they are showcasing it.
We have some of our dairy farms who have started to introduce trees, mainly fruit and nut trees, into their pastures. So on the one hand, this provides them with some additional income through the sale of nuts and fruits, as well as some wood, for example, for biomass. But this also affects or increases the welfare of the animals. So these trees introduce shade and sort of natural shelter, as well as, and this is for example, one of the farmers within the Voer region. He also tries to introduce like hedgerows as an additional supplements for the animals. So additional nutrients and minerals can be produced or supplied to the animals in a more natural way, rather than having to supplement through other type of feeding.
Talking about biodistricts in general, we are dealing with a community that is based around the farmers' activity and the farmers' networking. So every kind of activity which is beneficial and which is vitalizing the life of the network, which is not including just farmers, but also all the other stakeholders of the community, that is very useful, because it's going to exchange ideas and to building up capacities into the community. So we are grateful to these projects and to the opportunity to be part of AF4EU.